Hey, what's up guys? Theo here with a brand new tutorial on how to stop background noise. Let's get straight into it. Hey, what's going on guys? Theo here with another video about mics, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how to stop the background noise that might be happening in your house and around your house. Like for instance, your mouse is clicking, your keyboards, and just anything else that might be going on in and around your house. So all you have to do is very simple, is click the settings, go to filters, little plus sign, the filter type you need to be on noise gate, and click done, and then click done again. Now this should stop all your mouses clicking and your keyboards, and your obviously your fan, which you could see wasn't moving. Also, if you have other, like a louder background noise that you can still pick up, just click on the settings again, go to the filter that you've used, and just lower this open threshold, lower this, or up it, whichever way you look at it. Just lower this to like -20. But what I will say is, don't lower it too much, because if you lower it too much, you won't hear yourself come through the mic. So like obviously that was me lowering it all the way down and it didn't work. So just go steady with that in case you mute yourself. So I'd suggest having it on like what it gives you. I think it's 3228. And then that is it really. That's your filter on your mic, and then you can't hear any more background noise. If anyone like to add anything in the comments or would like to know anything else, by all means let me know and I will get back to you. Take it easy guys. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.